Hi, good morning. Now get ready for your English class. So, take out your notebooks and your pencil ready. Now, previously we have done capital A to Z. And now we are going to start with small a to Z. But we will do few letters today, not all. Okay? Now how you have to do it, just write down the date on the top and classwork. Okay. Now after that we have to write A. Okay? Now write down A. We have 4 lines in English notebook. Count with me 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we have red line on the top, blue line and then second blue line and then red line again. And for small letters, we use only these 2 lines, the middle blue lines, first blue and second blue. Okay? Now, let's start. First, we have to write A. How we have to write A is, just make a circle, half circle and standing line and a bit out. So, this is A. And what is the sound of A? Right, sound of A is A. Right. Now again, you have to write A under this. Out. This is A. And the sound of A is A. Just make sure that you are writing in between these 2 lines. Okay? When you will write in between the lines, your writing will be very beautiful. Okay? Again, write down A. Make a half circle and standing line and out. That is A. Now you have to write 5 times at least. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. 4 times we will write and 1 time we will draw a picture of it. So, again make a half circle, stand and out. This your A is complete. Now, A for apple, A for arrow, A for alligator, right? So, on the 5th line, you have to draw an arrow or an alligator or an apple or anything you want to draw. That starts from A. And the sound of A is A. Right? Now, put a finger gap and write down B here. Parents, please help your child so that the child is not writing here and there. Okay. Now, after B, write down how you have to write B. Make a standing line and a half circle. This is anti-clockwise this time. Right? It's a ulta C, if you can see. Right? Starting from first blue to second blue. Like this. Again, make a standing line and starting from the first blue till the second blue, we have to make a half circle. B, P, B, P. Right? Again, standing line, half circle, P. Standing line, half circle. This makes B. And B for ball, B for boy, B for bat. Anything of your choice you can draw on the fifth line. Like this. I am drawing a ball. So, that's a ball. Right? And what is the sound of B? Once again, B. Right? A, B, B. Right? Now, put a finger gap. Write down C. And between two lines, two blue lines, we have to make a semicircle. That is C. Like this. And again, make a C. Again, a C. You have to complete it. Again, make a C. And then C for cat. C for can. C for caterpillar. C for carrot. Yes, and I'm going to make a carrot. You can make anything of your choice. Right? Can you see? Now, A, B, K. Right? K. A, B, K. Now, what comes after C is D. Put a finger gap. Write down D. Standing, and this time we are going to make a C here. This is anti-clockwise we have to write. D. Starting from red line till second blue line. And the semicircle starts from the first blue line till the second blue line. And what is the sound of D? It's D. D. Okay? Again, standing line and then semicircle. Standing line, semicircle, standing line, semicircle. Do it very neatly. If you will write in between the lines, you will see that your handwriting is very, very beautiful. Okay? So, it's D. And what is the sound of D? D. And can you tell me? D for dog, D for drum, D for dragon. Right? And I am going to make a drum. You can draw anything of your choice. So, two circles up and down, just join them, and that's a drum. Right? Now, what comes after D is E. Now, write down E. How we have to write E is, just see carefully. Now, make a sleeping line between the two blue lines. Okay? And then start a semicircle from there till here. You don't have to join these 2 points. Okay? Just see it carefully how I have written. Just see it again very carefully. These are 2 blue lines, and between these 2 blue lines you have to draw a sleeping line. Okay? And starting from this end, make a semicircle which is ending up here, which makes E. And what is the sound of E? E. Sound of E is E. Whenever you touch your tummy and you'll say E, your tummy will go inside. Right. So keep practicing your sounds every time you speak E or anything. Okay, all the letters, keep practicing the sounds. Now again, let's complete it. That is sleeping line in between the 2 blue lines, and then make a semicircle. E. And what is the sound of E? It's E. And E for elephant. That's right. E for egg. That's right. E for elevator. That's right. And there are many, many more words, right? E for eagle. right? So we are going to draw an egg. You can draw anything of your choice, but I am drawing an egg over here. Just see, egg, right? So this is your A, B, C, D and E, right? A, B, C, D, E. A, B, K, A, B, K, D, E, right? Now after E, it is F. Now we have to write F, okay? Now on the next line, after completing this, you have to write F. Now for F, you have to make a curve and then come down. Okay? This F starts from the red line. Yes? Starting from the red line till the second blue line. And this is how you have to make a sleeping line on the first blue line. So this makes F. Again, make a F. Make a curve starting from the red line till the second blue line and then a sleeping line. That is F. Again, F. F. And what is the sound of F? Sound of F is F. That's right. And F for fish, F for flower, F for flag, and many more. But I am going to draw a fish. Now see very carefully, I am drawing fish and you can draw anything of your choice. Okay? That's a fish that swims in the water, right? After drawing, you can color all the objects that you are making. Okay? It will make your notebook more beautiful. Now after F, what comes after F is G. Now for G you have to write, see carefully, G is a hanging letter. So it hangs down. We are going to start from the first blue line, make a half circle like a C, then go down and curve. So that's a G. Again, make a half circle, go down and a curve. It's a hanging letter, G. And sound of G is G. Sound of G is G. Again. And hanging and curve. Again make a C, go down and a curve. So this is how you have to make a G. And G for girl, G for grapes, G for goat. And I am going to make grapes. You can draw anything of your choice that is starting from G. Okay, you can color all these pictures. It will look very, very beautiful. Now, what comes after G is H. Now for H, we have to start from the red line, make a standing line, and we are going to make a curve from the middle first blue line. Okay, from the middle of this line, that means the first blue line. Now make a curve. This is H. And H, sound of H is H. Sound of H is H. Right? Again, standing line and a curve. Standing line starting from the red line and H. 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 Okay? And what is H for? H for horse, H for house, H for honey, right? And I am going to draw a house or a hut. You can draw anything of your choice. I am drawing a hut. Okay, so that's a hut. Now, what comes after H is I. Now for I, you have to draw between these two blue lines. Just make a standing line and a dot on the top of it. Don't make a circle, it's a dot, complete dot, filled dot. Okay? Now I. What is the sound of I? E. Sound of I is E. Again, standing line and a dot. Standing line and a dot. Standing line and a dot. Now, I says E, right? And I for ice cream. And I for igloo, iguana, right? Then many more. Now, I am going to make an ice cream, okay? So, you can make anything. Okay, yummy, delicious ice cream. Now, next, what comes after I is J. And J again is a hanging letter. What you have to do is start from the first blue line, go down and a curve. And put a dot on the top of it. Again, starting from the first blue line, going down, touching the red line and a curve. Okay, and put a dot on the top. That is J. J, J. J, J. What is the sound of J? J. Again, standing line and a curve and a dot on the top. Standing line, curve and a dot on the top. And J, J, joker. And J for jug, right? So I am going to draw a jug. You can draw anything. You can also draw a jug also. That is up to you, your choice. Now, like this. Okay, that's a jug. So we have done A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. We have completed from A to J. This you already have done in your previous class. So this is just a recapitulation of it. So you can complete your work and show it to me in your next class. You have to do the homework. Keep practicing, keep revising each and everything. All the phonetic words, everything, phonetic sounds. I mean A, B, P, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J. Okay? You have to practice all these letters at home. Do your homework. Do it neatly. Bye-bye. Take care.